These four speakers behind me, if they look familiar, that is the Google Nest Mini. Now it looks like the Google Home Mini that we've had previously that came out 2 years ago. Well, it's been upgraded and it's still at the same price, $49 in the US. And what it does is it has 2 times the base of the Google Home Mini that we previously used. And the Nest Mini is going to be, Google says it's the easiest way to get Google Assistant in your home and in every home in your house. So it's a cheap price and it sounds better. It also comes in a new color. There's a new sky color in addition to things like charcoal. But in addition to the bass being twice as loud, you'll also be able to have the sound dynamically change. So if you're playing some music, if you're playing a podcast, and then all of a sudden your room becomes noisy and someone starts talking, well, the sound will get louder. So that's kind of a neat thing. Google Assistant is getting smarter on all the devices, and the chip inside the Google Nest Mini behind me that's going to be more powerful and more capable. So stay tuned for that, and we'll be testing that out in an official hands-on review. But for now, they're stuck to the wall and they sound better, but we'll have to demo that for ourselves in a final review when it comes out. Still the same great price, so it's probably going to be on sale for Black Friday coming up. If $49 is a little too much for you. So stay tuned for Tech Radar. Keep it locked to our website, and we'll have more on this coming soon.